Alright, what's up guys? We're back with another video. Today we're going to Tri-Cities to a car show with my cousin and the homie Dom. So right now we're on our way to Prosser. We're gonna link up right there and then we're all gonna mob towards Tri-Cities. I'm gonna try to get some rollers on the way over there and then I'm gonna try to get some videos when we're at the car show. Alright, catch you guys in a bit. We just pulled up to Love's, gassing up the Accord. I'm just waiting on my cousins and the homies to pull up, so I'll catch you guys when they pull up. Look who pulled up. What's up, bro? Yeah, they're on their way right now. I don't know. Cousin Chente just pulled up. What's up, buddy? Hello, Maria. Huh? Yeah, she's in the back. She's the baby. My cousin Nano just pulled up. Their homie pulled up. And then Dom pulled up again. They just went to the car wash to get their car vacuumed. And I'm guessing we're about ready to head on out. So I'll catch you guys on the freeway. So we're on the freeway now. We met up with Osman and his homies. So we still got like a 20-minute mob. Cousin Nano shooting rollers for me. Man, everybody's way out there. Yeah, I mean, this man does this every single time. But yeah, I'll catch you guys hopefully once we get there. We just made it to the show. Look what's in front of me. Audi R8. It's pretty clean, but we're gonna go in there, see if we make it in the show. Highly doubt it, but we'll see what they say right now. Ended up making it into the show.
Rich. 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 What's up, bro? How are you?
What's up, bro?
How are you?
Good. Yeah. So we brought the baby to his first car show. Got a Porsche, Lambo, Corvette, Beamer.
Fucking car show they have it.
Mark 34. Yeah? Things are sick. I think these are the ones that you're able to convert to the GTR.
This is pretty cool, you know, like you can just come out with the homies. Everybody jump in, Walmart run.
This is the only car I would get as an SUV for my kid.
You gotta tell your wife that.
No van, just this, converted to 34. Shit. The homie Don made it to the car show. He got in. So here at the Auto Lounge in Tri-Cities. We're about to do a quick walk around. So Osman just painted his carbon hood. He did the fade. Did the mirrors as well. I ain't gonna lie, this one's pretty clean. I believe it's an E30. I'm not too sure. Don't judge me. This one's clean.
That's a beautiful color.
Yeah. Oh yeah. This thing's clean, bro. Carbon wing.
This color's next. Hey, that wing doesn't look bad either.
It doesn't.
Hey.
This thing is clean.
Easy.
Check out this G80. Look at the color mix. And then the interior. buckets. Thanks, man. What do you think of it, Dom?
This is crazy. The top was a little. It's interesting, but it actually feels pretty good.
It doesn't.
I think the buckets from the last year, bro. It looks good with the color. It matches. It matches that like common traffic.
Let's say.
I'll get out of your picture.
This is clean type wire. Something behind us. Just super clean. The red with white. We just left the car show, so now we're just mobbing it to, I believe they said, to get some more content. It's us four again, and I believe we're gonna be meeting up with Osman and his homies out there, so I'll catch you guys on the way over there. So we just pulled up to Lululemon's here in Tri-Cities. They're taking videos of the cars and taking pictures right where the loading dock's at. I'm not too sure what they want to do right after, but maybe I'll keep you guys updated. Alright, so we ended up leaving. It was too packed. We were getting shit told, so we ended up deciding to leave. We're gonna be heading up to there's one spot that we had took videos in one of the previous videos, but it's gonna be us four. It's just not, so it's gonna be Chanten, Dom, and Nano, and we'll catch you guys when we're up there. Alright guys, so we just pulled up to the same spot as I think the last video or 2 videos ago. We got all the cars. See, cousin Nano's out there, Dom's, Chantes, and mine. So right now we're just doing a little vlog. Cousin's doing videos of his car, doing videos of all the cars actually. So yeah, I mean, this is a decent lineup. Actually, the cord has been making a weird noise once I'm at my ride height. So I am gonna be riding pretty high for now until I get it fixed. But other than that, I think we should be solid because it makes a weird noise when I was at my ride height.
Should we throw rocks at people?
$5 if you jump, bro.
$5?
Yeah.
And your medical bill. You pay the medical bill? Yeah, with $5.
Nano does. Nano will do it.
You pay the medical bill?
Just enjoying the view right now. The cars. So we ended up deciding probably just going home. So that's probably what we're gonna do. But thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Laters.